Imagine standing at the edge of space, staring at a monstrous ball of fire. It's not just hot. It's beyond comprehension, 15 million degrees at the core, burning endlessly in the vacuum of space. Now ask yourself this: what if you fell into a star? First, let's understand what a star really is. A star is a massive, glowing sphere of hot plasma, mostly hydrogen and helium, held together by gravity and powered by nuclear fusion. In our case, the Sun. It's 109 times wider than Earth and contains 99.8% of all mass in our solar system. At its surface, the temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,900 degrees Fahrenheit, but at the core, try 15 million degrees C, 27 million degree F. That's where hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing insane amounts of energy. So, falling into a star. Yeah. It's not just a bad idea. It's the worst way to go. Okay, let's say you're falling into the Sun, somehow surviving space travel and ignoring the fact that your spaceship melted hours ago. As you get closer, even before touching the surface, the radiation would start frying you. The ultraviolet radiation. It would break your DNA apart. By the time you're just a few thousand kilometers away, you'd already be plasma, no bones, no blood, just a cloud of atoms, drifting into the Sun's outer layers, the photosphere. It's not just about what we can do, it's about what we should do. See you next time. The photosphere is what we call the surface of the Sun. But it's not solid. It's a sea of plasma, boiling, swirling, glowing. Temperatures here are around 5,500 degrees Celsius, and convection cells the size of continents churn below you. If you somehow hovered there, the brightness would be over 400,000 times brighter than a summer day on Earth. You'd be blind instantly. Go deeper, into the chromosphere and then the corona, and things get weird. The corona, despite being far from the core, is hotter than the surface, millions of degrees, and scientists still debate why, but let's fall deeper. You're now diving toward the core, the beating heart of the Sun. The pressure here is over 340 billion times Earth's atmosphere. Hydrogen atoms are moving so violently that they fuse, releasing gamma rays. You'd be passing through ongoing nuclear explosions. Light created here can take 100,000 to a million years just to reach the surface. That's how thick and chaotic the inner layers are. And if you could look around, you wouldn't see flames. You'd see a white-hot soup of plasma, denser than lead, glowing with fury. This is the Sun's true face. In reality, you wouldn't survive even the outer atmosphere. Not even close. You'd be vaporized, atomized, and scattered into the stellar wind in seconds. And ironically, those atoms, they'd eventually become part of something else, maybe another star, a planet, or even life itself. Because stars are the cosmic factories of the universe. Every atom of calcium in your bones, iron in your blood, all of it was forged in a star. So, what if you fell into a star? You wouldn't just die, you'd transform, from a person into pure cosmic dust, and maybe one day, you'd shine again. See you next time.